All right, freshmen, looks like we need a little bit of review. Had enough people asking about things that we covered on day one about where information is for the class, where your book is, all that kind of stuff, that I figured I'd just roll through it real quick right here. So, one, sullivanclasses.weebly.com. Under classes, algebra half. Everything you need. Right there. Right? Got my, yeah, right there. Okay. All right here on this page. So someone says, hey, I never got the message. Oh, hey, there's another one. I never got the message. I don't know where the messages are. I don't know where Remind is. Right there at the top of the page. This is a feed of everything I send out to everyone in the class. So if I sent it to the class as a whole, it's right here, including your assignment that I sent on Friday, almost 77 hours ago, along with the YouTube link for the video for in class. You scroll down below that, plan book. Okay, now mine's not showing up because there's something with Chrome and plan book and my home computer. It's old, it's a dinosaur. Okay, but plan book will always be right here on your computer. Additionally, read the join code. It's right here, 18645497. That's a join code if you're one of those kids who likes to have everything in plan book. So you're going to have plan book right here. It, again, doesn't show up on mine. My computer sucks. You have the code to join plan book. That gets you the assignments. That gets you the link to the material folder. That gets you the link to the video. Right above it is Remind with the code to join Remind. A feed of everything that goes to the entire class along with your assignment. So your assignment's in two places on this page, and if you're in Remind, was texted to you on Friday. So 3 places. People are asking, where is the homework? And they're looking at their packet of notes. Not in your notes, it's in your book. That's why we have an online textbook link right there. You don't do the homework from the packet. The packet is our notes for the entire unit. You go to the book that we covered on day one. Okay? Either on your school laptop, you can go up here to this little puzzle piece, kind of looks like a lumpy Thor's hammer. Okay? Those are your extensions. It's not going to be there on mine. Again, crappy home computer. Click this or this, and it's going to bring you to Clever. That was the thing that you set up first block, first day of school. It's a thing we went through in class. You log in with your school credentials. That's your school username and school password to your Google account, which is the same as everything else. And once you do, it unlocks the whole school. Every textbook that you're ever going to be assigned is here. For us, it's in this Savas Easy Bridge. Okay, I hate that they called it Savas Easy Bridge, which used to be Pearson Realized, which is for a Pearson book, which is like 15 years old, and it's a mess. I'm sorry, we're getting new books, I swear. But right now, you're going to go to Savas Easy Bridge. You poke that. Now you might have to, come on, internet. You might have to, on the side here, actually click the button that says Realize and then choose your book. Like right here, I had to choose what book I wanted. I had to add the book. Okay, you shouldn't have to. It should already be tied to your account because you're in the class. But you go and poke that, and any of these Pearson books that you're in, there you go. We don't have enough books for everyone who's in Algebra Half or Algebra 1 to have a physical book. I have 20 some in my classroom that if you don't like using the online textbook, you go to eText and yours will only show the student edition. If you don't like using the online book, not right now, give it a couple weeks until you're used to it. If you don't like it, you can always just check out a physical book from me. But there you go. We did Table of Contents, section 1, day 1. So we went to, what was it, like page 8, I think? Page 8, starting at page 7. Okay, there you go. Your homework isn't in the packet. That's our notes for the entire unit. Your homework is in the book, right there. Okay, so Sullivan's Classes. Make sure you're in Remind. If you get the app, this will be an actual link that you can poke. It might show up as rmd.me and then like 2 things or whatever. It automatically shortens the link down to a Remind link, kind of like Bitly. So that might happen, but it's the link for the video. This is the video for class. If I go to that, I can't poke it there. It'll bring up, this is what we did. Day 1. Everything that I'm saying right now, we covered at the beginning of class on day 1. Day 2, we started with variable expressions. The entire lesson is right here. Okay? So, hopefully that's enough for you. That's what, 6 minutes? 7? Just walking through again everything that we did on day 1. Remind, and your login for Clever. And then if you go and click this Google Drive, or down here in Planbook, there'll also be a link for the folder. If you go there, it's going to bring you to the shared folder, where you have, right now, because I'm slow on the new class, these are the solutions for all your homework, for the whole chapter. That's how you know if you did it right. Don't use it to just copy. It ain't going to help you one bit. But it will help you know if you're doing it right. See, all those answers may vary, Okay, those are just examples of answers. Okay, so hopefully that's enough. If that's not enough, then ask questions. But y'all, don't ask questions 3 days later. We got to be a little sharper than that.